I want 3, 2, 1, big hello. 3, 2, 1.
Hello!
Nice. I'm Gloria, Proto. Come here, Fabi. Come here. Let's go ahead.
Inşallah soyçları da var.
Well, Popeye, these people, they're here in front of us. I'm curious where they come from. Let's see, where are you from? Welcome. Oh, like a schnitzel. Oh. And London, welcome. I like as well fish and chips. And Germany will come, man. Sweden. I just say welcome, man. Welcome. Welcome, or simple. And where are you from?
From Sweden.
Sweden. Welcome, man. And
Romania.
Bine
te-am găsit! Yeah, my friend!
Slovenia.
Slovenia, dobrodošli! Ahoy! England, welcome! So, now it's time to start our introduction about Sanctum movie making experience. Today, you have the original film set of the movie Popeye, where in 1980 they recorded the movie Popeye with Robbie Williams was the main actor, Popeye the Sailor. Today, like every day, we will make a movie together where you will be the main actors. Yeah!
Oh, yeah!
Of course, to build our story, we need different roles to cover. In one side, will we have the lovely ladies where they will play the role the good villager. Will we have the vegetable lady, the fish lady, the potato ladies. Oh, potato!
O să interpretăm diverse roluri. Femeia cu pește, femeia cu vegetabile, cu legume,
to put some trouble on our story, we need as well the gentleman that where they will play the roles, the stinky, smelly bad boy. Yes, we have yes, bad boy. But our story cannot be done without the hero, Popeye the Sailor Man. In fact, one of you played the role the hero, Popeye the Sailor. Now, about the timing, will we have, we will spend actually 20 to 30 minutes of your time and we will record the story here, location 22 the main square. After this, on our side, we will take the shot on the camera, we will edit in the movie, and when the movie will be ready, about 10-15 minutes time, we will call you again and we will invite you inside the cinema to watch our movie on the big screen. Yes! Now, this experience is free. You don't need to pay nothing extra. Later, if you want to embarrass yourself one more time with a friend, a family, you can buy the cost, the movie, and the cost will be €5, and we will send the movie by email. Now, if you want to take part our movie, like an old big movie on the hand, we have the name of the actor, and we will do the same on your movie. That's why you need to put your name inside the list. Like that, in the end, we will do our presentation of our actor on our movie. So, folks, if you want to take part, put your name inside the list. This one will be your director and enjoy your movie.
Potatoes! Potatoes from Romania! Fish!
Spinat and euro. Carrot, €1 from Sweden.
It's good to be back. It's good to be back. Where are the ladies? Where are the ladies?
Oh, Popeye! Fish! Fish! Ah, Popeye!
Carrot, carrot, carrot. Oh, Popeye! Popeye!
Oh, Nyla, take the flower!
We drink last night. Much.